here from the big time out. You go there, but I go out here. Down to Team Samoa. One, so Pacifica. Thank you to our guests, especially our special guests this morning, especially the Honorable Minister of Sport and Recreation. Partners, games, partnership, athletes, management, executive board of Saskatchewan, welcome to you, also our families. A special welcome to our media partners. Sama dia belum tanto program itu fine. Kalau lawan umur yang tanto, tahu tanto, fakor mafasan, kemudian tanto, kalau dia boleh cayau, kalau dia pun la bepa, itu boleh koyak, tanto cayau, fufur boleh itu. Hey, yang tu mana orang tu semua ni kita kono, tanto boleh buat, semua kita kena tanto, tanto pasal like
ja, dat doe ik voor man. Nou, dat is niet zo uit. De toer doet dat ze weer maar doet maar dat veel lang is op de riso maar voor die maar voor parola. Maar voor sport dat niet jou. Maar zo te zien dat komt van de loop met van het zand en jouw veel. Lola maar nog van Lola in de leven. Dit was van de Catalina mooi maar door was maar. We zien veel niet naar jou en door maar door de mij. Maar door van de Europa, maar door de toewaarden dat we veel en niet van de mooi. Daar Roma, daar weer iemand door van de stoelen zo maar door te doen. Maar door door, maar nog te door en hier maar door te doen. Maar door de reden van je lachen van je zo meer. Ja, no para Mario para la tío de tío Mario Tamai y la ofa fantasma y no Mario no familia de fa con moi se tem Mario tu va a me so de tem ya tu ahora Mario ya y de fa con moi de Mario la fo ya tu la tío se so so mai ya de Mario Auxílio mais do rumo e logo logo vamos logo nele. Na eu faio lá auxílio sítio mais do famo e moa. Foi a tua valeu e mais lá. Mas do fartai lá o tio eu lá me marosi. Quando foi para a mai e foi ina e lá o canal. Mas se foi eu le talenti o e foi. Mas do valeu o tio na mai o filho ia papenau mau e pera ma tu pata wa mau numa siri no la fio ma tu wa au e dia se ma msano lo fanal lo fam fa mangal lo la so fa su ma tu ori wa la tu e
o pago paptai tu ta tu tu na mo ni tao Vai lá tudo. Morar melhor. Eu posso ter uma vez. Você não vai lá. Ya, pero na tusong talaga sa inyo sola, ang moyo tanto solo, the purpose today is to announce our team Samoa ahead of the 2025 Pacific Mini Games to be hosted by Palau. Ya, kaya ko leo te whapa i manu toai tanto manu tanto wanaria pero poto ni mei kai au e ki maura ni tulanga tanto tulanga te o sa wala yo mai o pepe teimu sola tau lava o mano ia tanto team Samoa e Samoa ya e pati magalu ya pa itanga ni tai au oi to fi manie e suanga fo e o tulanga mele puia le tu Tio, tama mainga, ainga malatu tama, untuk semua, au malatu, ai, berapa au funti, e pun terima, oh, sila tak buat ini foi, lai tu, bisa saya, para fokus mai berdua, Forma e tulanga. Pau malatau sa ole sa le aumua na uiu sa ina. Na oe whatu ia motu to o le whanunga. Ia mago tama. Ia mago Samoa ua to go. Pantai au ua. Ia fia maia a sumai. Di mai ma tala mai a awa. Si o tātou mui mawina tātou mui sa ule. Ia si fia. Eu acho que o mais tanto humano falou que a vida é o tanto a minha foi dela o fato mundial tem a outra vai o filme de living star tá na minha tá toda uma eu já não já o filme é uma primo net yourself se ele não é só
Members of the diplomatic corps, Your Excellency, Will Washington, heads of government ministries, president and coordinators of festival, team Samoa athletes and coaches, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, Taulapapa and warm greetings to you all. It is both an honor and pleasure to stand before you today at this important gathering to officially announce team time laws for the upcoming 2025 Pacific League Games to be hosted in July in the Republic of Palau. Today marks not just the launch of our national team, but also the celebration of our games and how that we call to prepare to go. Let me begin my congratulations to all our teams and officials selected across the 9 sports to represent our beloved Samoa. Your dedication, perseverance, and disciplines are what have brought you here. And soon you will carry the spirit of our nation into the regional arena. To our athletes, you are the ambassadors of our people. When you wear the colors of Samoa and Palau, you are not only competing for medals, but carrying the hopes, dreams, and pride of our people. You showcase to the world the values of Samoa, which are respect, humility, resilience, and unity. To Cessna, President to a veteran in the executive, the kindness of your whole and your tireless administrations and volunteers ties to the other. For your ongoing stewardship of sports development in Samoa, you remain central to our aspirations as we develop competitive and resilient athletes through strategic planning, capacity building programs, and regional partnerships. To our development partners and members of the diplomatic corps, in particular, Your Excellency, your Majesty, your support is deeply appreciated. Your contribution, whether it be financial, technical, or advisory, represent the essence of regional and international cooperation. Partnership founded on mutual respect and a shared vision to empowering our young people through sport and recreation. To the coaches and management, you have the responsibility not only to prepare our athletes physically and mentally, but also to be their mentors, motivators, and role models. Know that the nation stands with you as you guide our athletes through both triumph and trials. This year's participation of the Palau Pacific Mini Games underscores our common commitment to elevating sports development and to ensuring our athletes compete at the highest level. The Ministry of Sports and Recreation is aligning, gently working alongside sectors. Key line ministries like Ministry of Finance and SIFA, as well as many other national federations to align our sports and games strategies with national development priorities set under the Pathway for the Development of Samoa. We recognize that sport is not just a competition. It contributes to health and wellness, promotes peace and unity, and plays a critical role in youth engagement and community cohesion. Looking ahead, I encourage our athletes to represent Samoa with honor, to compete with integrity and a power to be proud of who they are and where they come from. Win or lose, every effort we make on the field, in the ring, on the court, or in the arena will earn you the support and admiration of the people. As Minister of Sports and Recreation and representing the colony of Samoa, I wish Team Samoa every success at the Mini Games in Palau. May you compete courageously, take every opportunity to learn and grow and inspire future generations to dream big. God be your strength, and may your journey be blessed with unity, dedication, and victory. Ia whakamuhia na tua, i o tō sigi atu, o tō mamana, soifua mai na tua.
Before I introduce our president, I'd also just like to acknowledge our partners who join us, international business. I'd like to welcome members of the National Federation, some of you who are not part of this Team Samoa campaign, who are here to support our athletes and our ministry. Thanks. Recently appointed as on the executive board of International Weightlifting Federation. He is the president of Samoa Weightlifting Federation, as well as Samoa Wrestling, the newly elected successor president. Yeah, but I want to give way of your mind, not to a bit of Siaka, jury board, say, Tanfa Town, and so on. Start.
Ya, tahu siapa deh. Ini sekarang, boleh tangan orang tahu siapa macam ini besar. Your Excellency, Robinson, should have wished to Samoa. Our Fepala, the Sifa, international business. And he said that Lord Capo of the found the food that media was allowed one out discussion. I'm far from that. We are in the mark, together from the day of it, all the world. Team Samoa, from the Palau, I use it on Kalatan. The young boy, now for it, but I don't know stuff. After I go, keep up, farm out, farm out, but we have a far from Team Samoa. Yeah, we do it that. Bulan ini, dia ada dalam semua tambah kalau kemudian Tim Samoa kasih hasil yang sama dulu sebelum malu ya dia mau berubah tak bayar aku mata kita dia akan membuat dengan oke dia juga sama tambah kopi yang bisa mereka yang berkuih ya kalau saya suruh mengajar berita dia harus dia karena dia tahu dia pun cepat kalah dia mengaku dia orang itu dia kan ada makan ya fakir umur nak dia tahu lah membuat mengaku dia kalau saya suruh mengajar berita dia Taulapapa welcome to our friends and colleagues in sport. Very honored on behalf of SESCOP and the Executive Board, it is my honor to just say a couple of words in this special announcement. Today we're announcing Team Samoa for Palau, the Pacific Mini Games that will take place from the 29th of June to the 9th of July 2025. For your information, we have selected a team as small a number as possible. And when I say that, we've selected the best of the best. So, out of everyone that's here, we have 9 sports that are participating. We have a team of 57 athletes, coaches, and managers. Which is probably the smallest team we've taken to any Pacific Games or mini games in the history of our participation. Simply because we have really selected the best of the best, and on top of that, we have faced many challenges, financial challenges. So we believe you've got to live within your means, and at the same time, we are now, this team here before you, Honorable Minister and Your Excellency and all our guests, is on a mission for everyone to win a medal. Whether it be a bronze medal, silver medal, or gold medal, the challenge for us now is for every single athlete, not coaches, athlete to come down with, so 57, that's inclusive of coaches. What's the number of athletes? What's the number of athletes?
Minus 9, 3 athletes.
49, minus 9.
Minus 9, 48.
Okay. So the challenge is 48 medals, 49 medals. That's a big challenge. It's a massive challenge, but I have a belief that nothing is impossible. Anything can be doable and anybody is good at it. That means that is the motto of this team. We're going to perform, we're disciplined, we're committed, we're given the time. And remember, we have lived in the past few years, in the past few months, in the question whether we're going to go or not because of finances. So there's the first that's going to push our team. So saying that, we have 9 sports that are participating, 57 athletes, coaches, and managers. Within these sports, we have archery team. Do you have anyone here archery? Yes, archery team, athletics, basketball, swimming, triathlon, ba'a, beach volleyball, weightlifting, and wrestling. That's our team Samoa. After this, soon after, we will introduce our chef de mission. He will announce the team names. But just so you know, we have 57 athletes participating in 9 sports. The last games we participated, mini games, was held in Saipan, Northern Marijuanas in 2022, and the results were 8 gold medals, 5 silver medals, and 8 bronze medals. So that is the report that we need together for Team Samoa. I wish you all the best. I commend all the coaches, the managers, the athletes. A lot of hard work was done in the past few months, and we have a lot of work ahead of us in the next 2 weeks. Let's perform for Samoa. Give it everything. In closing, again, I come back to thank the government, the Honourable Minister, and also, for the many years we have worked together. The government has been the backbone of our session of the Honourable Session, the individual sports, always supporting our teams going overseas. I also have on my side here His Excellency Will Robinson has also been a very strong supporter of our session. In the past years, as we prepare for the Paris Olympic Games through the City Law Sports Program in DFAT Australia, we've had a lot of support through Australia. So thank you very much. We look forward to more growth and more partnerships as we look to the next Olympic Games in LA. We thank our sponsors who have come on board, our CIFA we have here today. We look forward to a fruitful partnership, and hopefully that we can work closely together as we build champions and try and get as many gold medals as possible. We also have Vodafone. I'm not sure if anyone from Vodafone here. Also one of our other sponsors. We welcome you on board. We look forward to working together. Lastly, I thank the media for being here today. Thank you for promoting our sports. Sports in town, I must say something about sports in town before I go. The managers, the coaches in this country give all their time voluntary. Voluntary. No one gets paid in this country. This field that we do, and where some of us have done it for 30 years on a voluntary basis. So that's something that you have to commend our sports leaders, our coaches, our managers. So it's not easy, giving a lot of time, and not only giving a lot of time and to be able to compete at that level, it just shows you something. That's another story of the commitment and the discipline, sacrifices that have been made by our leadership in sports. So I commend you. I wish you all the best. May God bless. Honourable Minister, His Excellency, and of course our sponsors here, our many leaders within sports, our executive board, and of course our media. God be with us and bless Team Samoa.
Thank you, Mr. President. Manoa, ai, e wa sa na fu malele, ai fa ka fu na temo de Mr. Na temo to pepe. Atu e temo ba fu ni spo na ni ba. Ma ro ni ni ta ya ba fu na ma mo. Yeah. I would now like to introduce somebody who's no stranger to sports. He is our chef de champ. He has led a few campaigns over the last few years, including Solomon Islands. In this role now, we will come to the podium to introduce our general team manager, and then the main event, introducing Team Samoa. And speaking of money, as our president alluded to, as you can see behind me, all these partnership flagship. We're going to be asking some of those partners for 100,000 each for the wonderful explosion. We mentioned 800,000 here today when they leave. So thank you very much for your contribution. Yeah, it's out there. You're going to see my father. Yeah, tell us how they Jerry Brunts. Yeah, way up.
Honorable Minister of Sports, Your Excellency, the Australian Commission, President and Executive Board of SASNOC, our faithful and loyal sports managers, presidents, officials, and our media and our partners. It gives me great pleasure to introduce your Pacific Mini Games Palau 2025 team. Out of the 12 sports that the Palau Organizing Committee decided, we are only doing 9 sports. And starting from our archery, we have Gio Wendt Walter as the one athlete, if you're here.
Yeah, put your hand up.
Put your hand up. Will be accompanied by her manager and coach, Wa'ausa Joseph Walter. For athletics, we have Johnny Key, Colone Alefosio, Taitaifono Samusoni, Micah Pedro, Richard Sukifo, Yorana Takili, Sierra Kyle, and our coach is Nonu Chong Sam Chong, and with their manager, Sula Tanifano Somaloli. That's for our athletics. For basketball, we are only fielding 3-on-3, and we have 2 teams. We've got for men, we have McKay, Craig. There's a change on Jeff Taupa'u, I believe. Due to Lisa, Hardy Tui Tola, Victor Kyle, and coach manager for the men's 3-on-3 team is Henrietta Messia. For our women's team, we have Kadri Tawili, Alexis Amu, Isara Paramore, Hildegard Mathis, and is coached by Sunny Au, and that's the 3-on-3 women's team. Now for swimming, we have Paige Chandler Kim, Salani Sa'ana, Nafanua Hamilton, Talia Somamau, Johan Stickland, Hector Nankilde, Solomona Hamilton, Kobe Tuyoti, Mauli Hamilton, with Brendan Schuster traveling as coach athlete, and Eva Benese as the team manager. For triathlon, we have Tyrese Collins, Erlen Mulitalo, Manamea Schroka, Darren Young, and traveling as coach manager is Raymond Rabina. We have volleyball, we're only taking beach. We have as players Dwayne Motu, Tuputala Tatiti, and traveling as coach manager is Kenaway Maisa. For weightlifting, we have Aloni Bafuti Famui, Sefulu Sewau, Batu Opilonge, Seine Stowers, Le Sila Fiapule, Yuliara Sipaya, Falebaa Tafi, Vaitasia Sewau, John Lautafi Tafi, Emmanuel Uli Masau, Jack Pitila Opilonge, and Salele Mau, with Toafitu Perive traveling as coach, Salu Lui as manager, and we have Lucila Pilome traveling as technical official. For wrestling, we have Shane Hallelujah, Ekitoa Tabati, and Yuta Abe as coach manager. Our last sport is Va'a, and we're only taking the V1, the single paddler. We have Ann Keynes, and who is traveling as athlete and manager, and CJ McCarthy as the youth component for Va'a. That takes it, or brings a total of 58 minus 12 officials. We have 46 athletes in total. Also accompanying the team, we are traveling with our president, Taulapapa Jerry Forward, our secretary general, Hula Maureen Epati Tumare Kifano, as well as myself as chef de mission, and give the great pleasure also to now introduce your general team manager and safeguarding officer, Unasa Natani Pitai. As President has alluded, it hasn't been easy trying to keep the numbers to not only manageable, but financially affordable for all of us. And we are praying and hoping that everyone will deliver as challenged by our president to live under it. It's probably the only way that we can continue to secure and have on board our partners to continue, and the government to assist and fund our campaigns for the various sporting competitions. Now the first team, our first group will fly out this Sunday at 5 a.m. Now the routes that we have secured, and I know the athletes, they've probably seen the itineraries already. It is getting to Palau is quite a challenge. There are not much flights going in and not much flights coming out. So we are going through Sama, flying through Nandi, direct to New Zealand, Brisbane, Koroa, or we are being flown to Nandi, Brisbane, Taipei, and come back down to Palau. So the first team or group are flying out on Sunday at 5 p.m. This coming Sunday, via Nandi in Brisbane, Taipei, and Palau. And then there's a second group coming on the 24th. Most of the team will be arriving on the 28th. This is just before opening on the 29th. We've got, I think, weightlifting will be arriving the day after the opening. And the last team will be arriving, I think it's triathlon on the 5th. The games finish, the closing will be on the 9th. And then we have some of the athletes traveling, commencing on the 10th, 12th, 13th, and I am bringing the last athletes out of Palau on the 14th and get here on the 16th. I said the real challenge is getting flights to Palau and away from Palau. But we managed to secure those flights and as cost effective as possible. The flights right now are moving up and down, and I think a month or two ago the flights cost was not too bad. Realizing that they are now running on very limited seats that will definitely sell. We're looking at roughly 10,000 per seat if you are going to go now. So it is quite an expensive exercise, but we thank our partners at the government of Samoa, thank to the executive board, president, as well as SASCO for continuing to push and securing fundings for us to make sure that we do get the team to Paralympic Games. So on that note, I have wrote some of the itineraries just to make sure that I can give you your managers. Otherwise, I will email them to your respective team or contact, sport contact person.
Team Samoa, ja, jij taat ook naar over van door, taat ook over de situatie taat van de mooi. De meeste goede over de over van lang. True respect. I ask our team, we have a special gift for the Honorable Minister, we are able to keep Samoa. We've also prepared for His Excellency Will Robinson. We did have a life science, but we know that you've been training in the weightlifting gym. We love the exercise. Thank you for ja, tena poi ya wana kwa ya suyo sifa ya wasonya ya la ega tato team Samoa. But I want to thank the team Samoa who can come up with our official photos with our special guests and our board before we break, and then we will open it up for the media, some photos and some wishes for our CDM and Montato on my area. Flag bearer for 2025 Mini Pacific Games. I will now hand over to our senior.
Apologies, my mother was probably right. Now, yeah, but that's over. I don't know what you're going to flag bearer. also based on the teams that will be in Palau for the opening on the 29th. I am honored to announce our flag bearer for the Pacific Mini Games in Palau will be Johnny Key. Johnny Key is no stranger to everyone. He's probably a household name in terms of athletics in school and in our campaign to get Pacific Games in Solomon Islands. Johnny Key was the bronze medal for 100 meters sprint, and that was behind the two Australians that competed with Johnny Key. So it is a fitting honor to have him as well, and to be able to have here at the time.
Yeah, that was on the walkway there, studios on the Wendt. That concludes our official formalities. Once again, I'd like to acknowledge our special guests. I'll stand here. Executive Board of SESOC, our partners in sports and games, partnerships, our media, the athletes, the management, and also our national federations. We also have some friends in the room, former CDM, in that sense, and some of the parents are in the room. Welcome them and happy to see you back here. Yeah, so may lupo, papel na mahas na pagmuli. Iulang na rin yung ikanto. May pwede pa sa pala na yan mo. Ulang lang. Ay po ito ang nekla ako. Ito mo na ito. May po po ba sa inyo ba? Yan yan. Tayo na ito. Kaya aloha. Mga future kasama. Thank you for the financial assistance. And all our wonderful